This is a scene every morning at Compton Head Start.
You need straws. Okay, then gotcha.
63-year-old HCDE cook Irene Montgomery serves up the best kind of good morning to her teachers and students.
You're welcome, sweetie.
She is full of energy. She's loving. She brings humor to the building. Although she's our cook, she works very well with the children in the classroom. She gives them that love, kind of like a little mothering love.
Don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. What's wrong, baby? I love kids. I love cooking. When I cook with a lot of love. And it's a difference between when you like your job and you love your job. I love what I do. It's gonna take more than that to rock. This when I say I put a lot of love in my cooking, look. And when they see me, Miss Irene, what we gonna have for lunch today? Or what we gonna have for breakfast? I say, well, you're gonna have eggs and potatoes. Miss Irene. So they enjoy stuff like that. No pizza? I'm not serving you pizza, I'm gonna serve you tacos. You like tacos? You just said you didn't like pizza.
I don't know.
And one of them told me, Ivana, Miss Irene, food is real good. And she said, your mama cook good like that? No, she don't, look.
Irene has been with HCDE for 5 years, and she moves like lightning. She enjoys a 5-mile run every morning before getting to work at 6:45.
And I'm 63 years old, thank the Lord. I work out a lot, that's why.
And nothing leaves her kitchen unless she's tasted it.
If it's not good to me, it's not good to serve them kids. But there's no fast food here. Everything is cooked from scratch.
Irene is part of the HCDE Nutrition Training Program. HCDE's newly hired Head Start cooks spend a couple of months shadowing her to learn recipes, ordering, and budgeting. And she will often share with the other Head Start cooks tips and alternatives for the pre-planned recipes.
He's the only one have latte mix, so you can put him by himself.
It means a lot to me as a campus manager to have Miss Irene a part of not only Compton, but the program. And it means a lot because I know that she is touching the lives of our children and our families, and even some staff. You can lead no matter what position. Some people look at cooks like, oh, you're not a leader. No, she's a leader, and she leads throughout the day.
It's just a joy to be here with this staff and just working for Harris County Department of Education. To come here every day knowing that I have a job and I have kids that, you know, we can feed and make them happy. I'm happy. When they happy, I'm happy. And it makes me feel good.
Y'all should have been there.